In a marriage ceremony of her daughter, Poonam, Ashok has made arrangements for the accommodation of 150 persons. For this purpose, he plans to build a conical tent in such a way that each person has 4 square meters of space on the ground and 20 cubic meters of air to breathe. What should be the height of the conical tent? Don't get confused by these words of meters of air to breathe and everything. Nothing. It's just stupidity. Very simple. People 150. Volume per person is what? 20 cubic meter. This is what? This is a volume per person. So total volume required is what? 20 into 150. Right? So you need not even solve this. So base area per person is 4. So total base area is what? 150 into 4. Okay. So volume of tent is what? 1 upon 3 into area of tent into height. Area of means base area of tent. Right? Why? Volume of tent is, cone is what? 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. What is pi r square? Area of the base. Right? And height is h. So that's what? So 20 into 150 equals to 4 by 3 into 150 into height. So just solve this. You will get height as 5 into 3, 15 meters.